You know, early in my career, when I started out, I was 19 years old, and I was taught by a wonderful man by the name of Glenn Keane. And Glenn had a way of sharing his knowledge that inspired me so much. You couldn't help but sit with Glenn and want to learn more and more and more. And I've had a wonderful career since then, 30 years. And that was the inspiration behind CreatureArtTeacher. I wanted to be like Glenn, but I wanted to do it on a global scale. I wanted to use the internet to share the knowledge I have, the experiences that I've had over the last 30 years, and share them with the world. And so I got together with my friend and partner, Nick Birch, and we started talking about this. We started talking about, how can we do this? And so we put together a website. We started hitting social media as hard as we could, and we started putting the word out there that we were doing this. And that was 6 years ago. And here we are 6 years later. We have a thriving website, lots of education, lots of really great content on our website that I'm so proud of. And also over the years, over the last couple of years, what we've done is, rather than just my experiences, we've decided to bring in other artists as well, people that I've worked with, people that I respect, that I think are top-notch in their field. Chuck Williams, who is an amazing story person, has come on and talks about story structure and construction. Lyndon Ruddy, who's an amazing storyboard artist, we've brought Lyndon in to talk about storyboarding. Ronnie Williford, an amazing painter, color theorist, all of that. He shares all of his knowledge there. It's amazing stuff. And then my friend Tim Hodge, who is another incredible storyboard artist and artist in general, who talks about doing cartoon humans and cartoon animals. We've really broadened the field is what we've done. And it's something that I'm really proud of. And we're going to continue to do that. We're bringing in more artists continually. And the site is just going to grow. It's going to become an educational hub. This is what I want. I want people that are striving or thirsty for knowledge. I want them to come to our site and find what they need, find what they're looking for in order to educate themselves and get better. Some of the things that you can find on our website, it started out with me talking about animation, but it's grown from animation. I talk about traditional art. I talk about charcoal drawing, watercolor drawing, or watercolor painting, oil painting. I talk about digital painting. I talk about character design, all kinds of things on there. We've also got Photoshop brushes that you can purchase. We've got animal drawing courses. We've got so many different educational videos that are related to art that you could go through the website and take a year and still not get through the whole thing. One of the great things that I'm really excited about is in the last couple of years, as our site has grown, we've decided to open it up to a subscription-based platform. So if you want everything on the site, you can pay one price for the entire year, an annual fee, and you can get everything that's on the site. Everything. Photoshop brushes, courses, live streams, all kinds of really great exclusive stuff, and it all comes with one price. And that's something that has become really popular. We have thousands of members now. And it really makes me happy, because when I go on social media and I see people talking about our website and they're praising it, saying it's the best deal out there, it's the best education out there, that's what makes me happy. So the great thing about CreatureArtTeacher is, whether or not you have just a passing curiosity or it's something you want to make a career at, we've got something for you. The variety of artistic subjects that we have on our site is vast, and you could spend the next year and not get through it all. So I just think it's something that folks would really, really love, and they can put some beauty back into the world. So go on over and check out CreatureArtTeacher.com.